Hello. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR code in Snapseed app. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open the application. Then just simply open the image where you want to apply the effect. Just simply choose the image from your gallery. Now, once the image is selected, all you have to do is click on the layer option at the very top right hand side corner. Then just simply click on QR look. After that, click on scan QR look. Then just simply scan the QR. And after that, it will automatically apply the effect on your image. You can try with different QR codes as well. So again, click on scan QR look, then scan a new code. Then click on apply, and then a new look will be applied the moment you will scan a new QR. You can also create your own QR after that. So click on the option again, click on QR look, and then even create your own QR look. As you can see right over here. Now you can share your own QR and the effect with people. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.